Recently, I was rewatching a Joel Meyerowitz interview, and he was talking about his heydays as a street photographer in New York. And one of the things that struck me was that he didn't always pound the streets looking for the images. Quite often he'd hang out on street corners or street crossings and wait for the people to come to him for hours at a time. And surely that's what street photography is, people watching.
What are we doing?
Watching all these people.
Why would we do that?
Because we can.
So, as I very conveniently find myself with some spare time today on the west coast of the US, specifically Manhattan Beach and the Manhattan Beach Pier in the South Bay area of LA, I thought I'd try something similar, but also challenge myself. I've never shot anything POV before. So the Pocket 4P that's sitting on the end of this bench filming this is going to go on a neck mount, and below that I'm going to sling my Kowa 6, which is camera of choice today, loaded with Kodak Gold 200. Of course, the tricky thing is going to be looking past the pocket camera down into the waist level viewfinder of the Kowa, while simultaneously focusing and taking the image without disturbing the video footage. But hey, I did say it was going to be a challenge.
Take a load off Fanny. Take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny. And put the load right on me.
You're going to get hot.
That's a nice camera.
Yeah, it's from the 60s.
Wow, that's like film?
Yeah, yeah.
And you look down that way, huh?
That's it, yeah. It's a waist level finder, so you look down here. So if I was taking a picture of you, here, we'll cue this up now.
Yeah.
So we look at that, that looks good. And then, see the mirror goes up?
Yeah.
And then I got to wind it on, so it's blank in the top right now.
Yeah.
And then I wind it on, and the mirror lifts, and also we got the image back.
Wow. That's cool.
Good work, though.
Thanks a lot.
You must get so hot, though.
Huh?
You must get hot, though. Here in
Yeah,
the
I got a little water. 2 o'clock it gets a little too hot.
Yeah. I
get lost.
Go home, have a siesta, come back later.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too. Thanks, man.
Because now those little pinnacles, he likes it still there. I didn't water that sucker. He's not missing any plants. That's BS. We grew them suckers from cuttings, yo. Those boxes are full. Well, first off, you have to go back.
Oh, I don't like that.
So we have to.
Good, how are you?
Oh, and then you wake up? Yeah. It's so hard. Oh, it works.
Waiting for Dada. He's gonna grab our beach bag for us. Okay. All right, it'll be ready in 10 minutes, Dada. Okay. That is pretty.
He goes full on detail.
she always does her looks on the subway.
No, that's it. Let's say, so remember, bottom arrow, 4 seconds. Dude, we appreciate it. Hey, so what are you? I'll get you a man and I'll get you in.
I'm back in the car enjoying some air conditioning because it's been a long hot day out there. Well, you know, apart from the bit where I went to the bar, had a couple of really nice cold beers and a few delicious fish tacos. Other than that, it was a really hot day out there. But it was a great day. The weather was beautiful, people were happy, nobody got upset about having their picture taken. I really enjoyed the process and I enjoyed the challenge of trying this POV photography. No idea if it's worked yet, but the process was a lot of fun. And surely that's why we do it, because film photography isn't cheap, it isn't easy. So if we're not enjoying the process, why are we doing it? Anyway, I had a lot of fun. What a great way to spend some time away from home. I hope you liked it too, and until the next time.